are going to discuss about classification of the amino acids based on their nature. Along with that, we will also be discussing about the International Single Alphabetic Code, and here I shall devise some mnemonics. I shall recommend some mnemonics to you so that you can easily reproduce the same in exams. Now let's start from the 7 categories. Depending on the number of amino groups and acid groups or their nature in solution, they can be grouped into neutral, basic and acidic. Apart from that, depending on the extra groups or side chains present in the amino acids, we can also categorize them into alcoholic, sulfur containing, aromatic and heterocyclic. So it's very important to memorize all the amino acids based on this categorization. So let's begin. First of all, we have to remember the basic amino acids and the acidic amino acids. Out of the 20 amino acids, the basic are arginine, lysine and histidine. Acidic are glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Now note that the alphabets, the single alphabetic codes are not same as the starting alphabets in some amino acids. So you have to remember that first in order to remember the mnemonic and use it. All other amino acids, even if they come under alcoholic, sulfur containing, aromatic or heterocyclic, all other amino acids will be categorized as neutral. Here in this table I have taken every amino acid at least once except histidine, which has been written twice in heterocyclic and basic. Now let's move to the next 4 groups. Alcoholic amino acids are threonine and serine. Sulfur containing are cysteine and methionine. Aromatic are tryptophan, tyrosine and phenylalanine. Heterocyclic are histidine and proline. Now see, these 4 groups are classified on a different criteria and the first 3 groups are classified on a different criteria. However, you have to remember this categorization properly. Now let's see what mnemonics can be used or how can we memorize these amino acids along with their groups. For neutral, there need not be any mnemonic, but for all other groups there are certain mnemonic I have devised. Suppose you remember the basic and acidic amino acids, the rest of the 15 amino acids out of 20 are neutral, so it's easy to derive. Now let's see what's the mnemonic of basic amino acids. King Harsha rewards Banabhatta. K for lysine, H for histidine, R for arginine and Banabhatta BA for basic. An English daughter, A for acidic, E for glutamic acid, D for daughter. Take seasoned alcohols, alcohol for alcoholic, T for threonine, S for serine. Sulfur containing Sultan Chand Muhammad, SUL, Sul of Sultan stands for recapping sulfur, C for cysteine, M for methionine. Aromatic, argue with your friends, AR of argue stands for aromatic, W for tryptophan, Y for tyrosine, and F for phenylalanine. Heterocyclic. High profiles hate cycling. Hate cycling, to recap, heterocyclic, H of high for histidine, and profile P stands for proline. Now you see neutral has the largest list of amino acids. To derive the neutral amino acids, you have to just subtract the basic and acidic types from the 20 amino acid list. It means threonine, serine, cysteine, methionine, tryptophan, tyrosine, phenylalanine, and proline all are also neutral.